Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Charles, and in today's video we are doing the unboxing and review of Pixel Android TV. This is 43-inch, one of the nicest TV I would say, but we'll get to see the features. Pixel Android TV, this is a frameless TV, and it comes with two remotes. We got this online. We ordered it from Jumia, Uganda, one of the online shopping site, biggest online shopping site in Uganda. And please note, this is not a sponsored video. So it comes with two remotes and with frameless design. According to Pixel, they say it's super colorful. So we hope it is. And it has HD import, which is the high definition multimedia interface. And this is a smart TV, meaning you can connect your internet, Wi-Fi, and then you can watch videos on YouTube, Netflix, and others. So let's get to open it and we see how the TV actually looks like. It's packed in a nice way. You know, TV is kind of fragile, so transporting it needs to be packed in a very comfortable box. And this is of course how it looks. So this is the front, and we are opening it. So upon opening the box, you of course are welcome with a stand. This is what I would call it a stand or something that the TV sits on. The fact that it's frameless, and then we get to see something. I don't know whether I should call it cardboard or something like that. It's soft just to protect the TV from getting broken in case maybe the vehicle has hit the arms. So it's looking very nice and friendly. Then the TV itself is right here, very nice. And here we are. Yeah, this is 43 inches, and you can see how big it is. So I have to handle it with care. Of course, it has, this is power, where you connect it with the power or to the power. And there is the user manual or the instruction. Two remote, as you can see. Then there's some other screws here for screwing it maybe. And that's how it is. We'll get to test this TV and you'll get to see. But for now, let me know your impression in the comment section. But this is Pixel Android TV 43 inch. And thank you for watching.